everyone. Welcome back to the English Talk Time, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ellie, your go-to English podcast for learning English and improving your life. And as always, I'm joined by my fantastic co-host, Mike. How are you doing today?
Hello, Ellie. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here with you all.
How are you today, Mike?
I'm great, Ellie. Very happy for another episode. How are you?
I'm fantastic. I feel good today. I'm ready for a fun conversation.
Me too. And before we start our topic, we want to say thank you for listening.
Yes, thank you. And please, if you like our channel, remember to subscribe and click the like button. Share with your friends too. It helps us a lot.
So, what is our big topic today?
Today, we learn how to talk about your day in English using the simple present tense. We will talk about daily routines, food and eating habits, and travel.
Great! The simple present tense is perfect for routines, habits, and things we usually do. Let's begin.
Part 1. Daily routine. Are you a morning person?
A morning person? No, I am not a morning person. I like my bed.
So you wake up late.
Yes, I do. On weekends, I wake up very late. On weekdays, for work, I wake up at 8.
That's not too late. I am a morning person. I love the morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock every day, even on weekends.
6 o'clock? Wow. What do you do so early?
First, I open the window. I love the morning air. Then I drink a big glass of water.
Water. That is very healthy. I need my coffee. The first thing I do is make coffee.
I like coffee too, but in the morning, I prefer tea.
Tea is calm. I need energy, so I drink coffee. Always a big cup.
After my water, I do some exercise. It helps me wake up. After that, I take a shower, and then I have breakfast.
Breakfast is my favorite part. I usually have eggs and toast, and of course, coffee.
I usually eat yogurt and fruit, sometimes toast with jam.
And after breakfast, we both go to work.
Yes, I work at a small library. It is quiet and full of books.
I work in an office. It is not quiet. Many phone calls and emails.
I walk to work. It's only 10 minutes. I listen to music or a podcast.
I drive my car. The traffic is sometimes bad.
At lunchtime, I usually bring food from home.
I sometimes go to a small cafe near my office.
In the afternoon, my library is busy. Many people come. Sometimes I read stories to children.
In my office, the afternoon is full of work. I need more coffee.
We both finish at 5. After work, I go home to my dog, Max.
I don't have a pet, but my friend has a cat named Leo. He sleeps all day.
After work, I take Max to the park. Later, I cook dinner.
I usually cook pasta.
I cook chicken or fish with vegetables.
After dinner, I sometimes play guitar.
I read books in the evening.
And finally, bedtime. You go to bed early.
Yes, at 10.
You go to bed late.
Around midnight, I am a night owl. Part 2. Food and eating habits.
Now, let's talk about food. Do you like cooking?
Sometimes, I usually cook simple food.
I like cooking. I think it's creative.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. I always eat something in the morning.
Me too, but sometimes I only drink coffee.
For lunch, I usually eat salad or a sandwich.
I usually eat out at a cafe near my office.
What about dinner?
For dinner, I often eat pasta with tomato sauce.
I usually eat rice with vegetables and chicken.
Do you like fast food?
Not really. I sometimes eat pizza, but not often.
I sometimes eat burgers.
That's the simple present. I eat, you eat, we eat. For he, she, it, we add S.
Right. My brother eats burgers. My sister drinks tea.
And we make questions with do and does. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Does she like pasta? Yes, she does.
Exactly. Very easy and very powerful.
Now, we want to hear from our listeners.
Tell us in the comments. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you travel to the beach or the mountains?
Do you like cooking? Do you buy souvenirs on holiday?
Write your answers. Practice the simple present.
Yes, we love reading your comments.
Thank you for joining us today.
Don't forget to subscribe to English Talk Time, like this video, and share it with friends.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.